Meaning of glottal.
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 Glottal. Glottal refers to the area of the vocal apparatus that encompasses the space between the vocal folds. The glottis is essentially a slit-like opening that can be manipulated in order to produce different sounds and pitches. In certain languages or dialects, consonant sounds such as the glottal stop are produced by briefly closing the vocal folds together. Additionally, disorders affecting the glottal region can impact voice quality and function. Understanding the role of the glottal mechanism in speech production is important for both linguists and healthcare professionals working with patients with voice disorders.